Operations with polynomials. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are like and unlike terms in a polynomial? 2. What is the leading term of a polynomial? 3. What is the leading term for the leading coefficient of a polynomial? 4. How to write a polynomial in the standard form. 5. How to add or subtract polynomials. 6. How to multiply polynomials. 7. How to divide two monomials. 8. How to divide a polynomial and a monomial. 9. How to divide two polynomials. 10. How to raise a polynomial to a given power. 11. How to graph a polynomial. 12. How to find the zeros of a polynomial analytically. 13. How to find the zeros of a polynomial by its graph. Introduction. In the previous tutorial, we had a general view of monomials and polynomials. Now, we will further extend the study of these concepts by introducing new elements including like and unlike terms, leading terms and leading coefficients, etc. Moreover, we will explain how to complete basic math operations with polynomials. Another important concept explained here is the zeros of a polynomial. At the end of this tutorial, you will know how to find the zeros of a polynomial by using its associated graph. That is all for introduction to operations with polynomials. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 11.2.1, the like and unlike terms in polynomials. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.